Rhys, 3 points, tough battle today though.
It was nip and tuck, as they say, not a lot in the game at all. You know, we talked before the game, we said it was going to be tight, and just hope that we fall on the right side of the result and nick the goal. It was, I think, always one goal was going to win it, and luckily we got it.
It was a tough afternoon. It is always tough coming down here. Obviously Pen-y-bont regular in Europe competition, so we knew it was going to be tough. I thought we more than matched them for the challenge as well today. I thought we were excellent in our first and second contacts, and to concede a scrappy goal, which every goal is a good goal, but from our point of view, we definitely unavoidable goal, especially on the second phase of a set piece, etc. And it was similar last week as well, timing wise, so there's something that we need to have a little look at on that one.
Mael, buddugoliaeth anodd, gael grymu?
Wedd, mwyn ni'n gwybod, gyda tîm ar gwael a Bae Colwyn, bod nhw'n mynd i fod yn physical iawn, felly wy'n ni'n disgwyl hwnna. Falle dim gymaint, bwrdd yn gwneud bach o surprise hanner cynta. Sa'n credu chwarae ni y gorau ni wedi chwarae tymor hyn, ond jyst yn dangos pwy mor dda i ni yn amddiffynnol yn cadw llechen lan eto.
Well, with you these days, one goal usually is enough. Amazing. Another clean sheet. You must be happy with the way things are going defensively.
Yeah, we are. It starts with two great keepers. And then obviously at the back they're working really hard, and we do work hard on defensive shape as well. But I think our 6 goals conceded in 10 games, it's a really good record so far. We've got to keep it going.
I'm happy with the way the lads are performing. Yeah, I mean, we would obviously like more points on the board, but I'm sure other teams would do as well. We'll work very hard behind the scenes to get that happening as well. But the lads are working hard. It was an absolutely outstanding battle and performance coming down South Wales here against Pen-y-bont. Obviously we're gutted not to get any points to show for it, but the performance-wise was still very, very high.
Mae lot o hyder da ni yn y tîm ar y funud, ni wedi ennill 3 o'r bounce cyn heddi, felly ni'n iwst i cadw llechi lan nawr, a fi'n credu mwyn jyst yn rhoi mwy o hyder i ni.
A mae rai fi ofyn, 150 o gemau i Pen-y-bont, diwrnod arbennig i ti hefyd?
Ie, diwrnod arbennig, balch iawn i chwarae 150 i Pen-y-bont, a gobeithio gallai cael llawer fwy.